What's up, guys? We're doing the banana challenge.
So, like the chubby monkey?
And
I guess.
yeah, chubby monkey. Basically, my stomach still hurts from the smoothie challenge. So, if you don't remember, go to the link below. I wish all that. So, let's get started.
I'm probably not gonna.
Really?
I can't do this because when I do it, like, it doesn't work for me.
Ready?
For it.
Chubby monkey.
Oh, crap. Chubby monkey.
Chubby monkey.
Chubby monkey.
So slimy. Gosh dang. Chubby monkey.
I'm going for a big piece. Go on. Chubby monkey.
Chubby monkey.
You freaking huge mouth, God.
You know what that comes from, right?
Chubby monkey.
Chubby monkey.
You don't want to throw up.
No, that one tastes weird.
Chubby monkey.
Chubby monkey. Chubby monkey.
You're freaking huge mouth.
Oh. We're swallowing them?
Hmm?
What? Swallowing them?
Chubby monkey.
What? I won!
I just wait for like a long time, like. No, but me and Logan, we did the pickle challenge and I freaking threw up. I did. I was like,
Look at that gloriousness. Oh, yeah.
Okay, let's go. What? Okay, fine.
Go first.
Okay. Chubby monkey.
Chubby monkey.
Chubby monkey.
Chubby monkey.
Okay. Well, go. You still gotta do that one.
Chubby monkey.
I hate your mouth.
It feels like me in my mouth. No. Chubby monkey. Chubby monkey. Chubby monkey. Chubby monkey.
It's a good baby. Yes! Yeah, gag reflex after, right?
No. Wasn't even close back my throat.
What?
Wasn't even close back my throat.
Well, you won. I give up. I give up.
You just challenge over.
Dude, I won on Travis's, but he does get freaking huge mouth.
It doesn't even cut. Like, I didn't even get it at all. It just made me laugh. Why did I get my side right? What the heck?
I don't know. But that was the end of this video.